Yo, what's good guys, hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to help you how you can earn some instant money right now today guys. It's super easy, and especially as a teenager we all know that it can be really harsh. You want to buy something really bad and you spend all your money on it, and afterwards you're again broke, and yeah, you find some new stuff you actually want, and I'm gonna show you 5 useful tips guys how to guaranteed earn some money. Some of the methods are more exhausting than other ones, but overall you should find something out of this pool I'm going to offer you right now, and let's get straight into today's topic. The first one is of course the classic go around in the neighborhood and ask people if they got any simple tasks for you, like cutting the lawn, cleaning windows, helping older people with getting their groceries, washing their cars, or whatsoever. Quick side info, especially older people will tend to pay you more money since they know the struggle of building a consistent income source at a young age. Really important, you don't need to be ashamed to ask for those tasks. Everyone will just see that you're at least trying to get some money and respect you for that. No one is going to laugh at you or whatsoever. 4 years ago, I used to deliver newspapers as a side hustle to get any sort of money, and I was really ashamed in the first few days. Then when I've seen the money I just collected, it made me realize how good it feels to earn some money. And keep in mind, everyone is pretty much doing the same, no matter at what age. If you're working, pretty much everyone has the same goal of just simply earning some money and having some spare cash to spend in your free time. The second tip I want to give you is flipping clothes. Okay, to be fair, this one requires some sort of budget in the first place, but if you do it the smart and consistent way, you can build a real business. Looking through thrift stores, browsing through online locals, or in the internet in general offers so many opportunities to find some really cheap clothing and resell it for more. I know for a fact that a lot of people are buying used shoes, renew them a bit, and afterwards sell them for much more they even paid for. Especially this method is really effective since there's always people selling some stuff for dirty cheap, and if you know how to renew some certain stuff, you can pretty much only profit each time when you sell something online. What's also really popular for resellers are vintage clothes. Everything pretty much becomes vintage after a while, and since the popularity for vintage is steady rising, try to find some old school clothes in your locals, give them a glow up and sell them for profit. It's really not that hard. Maybe someone in your family even has some cool old jackets or whatsoever which they don't wear anymore. One of the methods would be to simply offer them to give them 50% of the profit you sell those items for, and there you get some items to sell where you don't even have to spend money in the first place to get them, which is just truly amazing. For the third one, use your talents. Tons of people are really good at drawing. Try to turn your strengths into a business. As an example, draw people for money, or maybe straight up try to draw a few awesome pictures and sell them. Let's say you're really good at writing stories or articles. Go search through the internet if some people would like you to write a story for them. The easiest way to offer your quality work would be through Fiverr, which makes it insanely easy to find potential customers. 2 years ago I helped out in a renovation of a library, and since I'm 6'4" tall, my only task was to demount smaller signs at the top of the door frames. In 2 days I made $120. Definitely guys, make sure to utilize your natural strengths and your talents. For the next one, learn video editing. Especially with more and more people trying to enter the content creator life, more people search for cheap and professional editors. Editors get paid on average $10 to $20 for a full-on edited video. Let's say you become really good at editing, so you can edit these videos insanely fast and therefore can take more offers at once. You can build a serious business. The job as an editor is highly established nowadays, and the best part is it's super easy to find potential customers through Discord, Fiverr or whatever, and you can work from pretty much anywhere. The last tip I want to give you is taking surveys, watching ads or installing applications. I know surveys might seem really sketchy, but a few years ago I used to also earn some money through taking surveys or trying out applications on my iPhone. There are tons of companies offering some really well paid surveys, which might take only a few minutes. Again, you can do this from basically anywhere, and if you got the free time, why shouldn't you give it a try? Taking surveys, watching ads, or testing applications are all tasks which can be done super easily from your mobile device and don't require any special knowledge. And yeah guys, this is pretty much it for the easiest way how to earn some money through side hustles as a teenager. I hope this video did indeed help you out, and if you still have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, have an awesome day. I'm out. Peace.